A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Wisconsin, at 3:10 p.m. on August 5, 2021, effective until 4:10 p.m. A child abduction alert has been issued statewide for the following child. Dorian L. Deason, age 2 months, male, white, 1 foot 1 inches, 9 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes. Child was last seen at George Road and Bronson Road in Wisconsin Rapids and is missing from Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Haley Ann Pelote, age 28, female, white, 5 feet 1 inches, 120 pounds, brown hair, hazel eyes, flower tattoo on left side of ribs, has the word Hales tattooed on neck, tribal rose on leg unknown side, 2 hearts on back. They may be traveling in a 2002 silver Toyota Camry sedan with black front bumper wheel, license plate E5345. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Dorian L. Deason, please contact Wisconsin Rapids Police Department at 715-421-8701.